And honestly, all I had to do was create it and then hold myself accountable. And I stopped negotiating with myself completely. Welcome to the Jason Jacobs Show. I'm your host, Jason Jacob, and this is day 4 of me actually sticking to something for once. Today I want to show you what's helping me not mess this up. Normally around this point, this is where I quit. Around day 3, day 4, I'd already be thinking about eating more, or at least taking a cheat day. And the truth is, I do want to eat more, sometimes. I think this is where people get it wrong. They think if they still feel hungry, something's off, like the plan isn't working. But I'm eating around 150 grams of protein. My calories are low, my fats are low, and yeah, I feel it sometimes. But this is the difference. I'm not trying to eliminate the feeling. I'm just not breaking the system. Like yesterday, we tried to make some cloud bread, and honestly, the texture of it was pretty good, but it didn't taste that great. I still ate it because it fit the plan, but eggs would have been way easier. But the most important thing is that I ate according to the plan. It's been dialed in to give me just enough to keep me from starving while helping me burn fat. And honestly, all I had to do was create it and then hold myself accountable. And I stopped negotiating with myself completely because I already knew what I could eat. I knew what was on plan. And if I wanted to eat something else, I knew I couldn't log that. So as soon as it comes up, it's easier to dismiss it. I still have choice and variety, but I know the 3 to 5 go-to foods, and I log everything before I eat it to make sure it fits. That's the only thing I changed. And I think this is what I'm starting to understand, that if you change the right thing, it can actually fix everything. For me right now, it's structure and accountability. I'm not guessing, I'm not reacting. I already know what I'm doing because I have this plan. So let me show you where I'm at. This is what I ate today. About 161 grams of protein, 29 grams of fat, around 57 carbs. Super clean day. And my sodium stayed under control, as you can see, which makes sense when you're not eating junk. Let's check the fit index. I was about 228 when I started. Now I'm at 224.8, down about 3 pounds already. This is aggressive, 3 pounds in 3 days. I'm running low fat right now, but it's temporary. After about 2 weeks, I'm bringing my fats up to about 50 grams. And this one, I'm still working on this. I catch myself sometimes. I still do it, but I'm a lot more aware now. I think what's most different this time is that I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm just not breaking the system, because every time I break it, I start over. So if you can't stay consistent, you might just need a good plan and a way to hold yourself accountable. That's day 4, no hype, still just doing it, proving one day at a time that freedom is possible. Action creates opportunity, and your outer world changes the moment you change on the inside. I'll see you guys next time.